To create a drop-down menu in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the online store section. Click on Navigation and then click on the Add Menu button. Give your menu a name, such as Main Menu, and click Save. In the Menu Items section, click on the Add Menu Item button and enter the name of the menu item that will have the drop-down options. For example, if you want a drop-down menu for clothing, you would enter clothing as the menu item name. To create the drop-down options, click on the Add Submenu Item button and enter the names of the submenu items, such as tops, bottoms, and dresses. Repeat this process for each submenu item you want to add. After adding all your submenu items, you can organize them by dragging and dropping them into the desired order. You can also add more levels of submenus by clicking on the Add Submenu Item button on a submenu item. To link your menu items to specific pages or collections, click on the Link field and select the page or collection you want to link to. Make sure to click Save after making any changes to your menu. To customize the appearance of your drop-down menu, go to the Online Store section and click on Themes. Click on the Actions drop-down and select Edit Code. In the code editor, you can modify the CSS files to change the color, font, and layout of your drop-down menu. Finally, to test your drop-down menu, go to your store's front end and hover over the menu item that has the drop-down options. The drop-down menu should appear, and you should be able to click on the submenu items to navigate to the corresponding pages or collections. By following these steps, you can create a functional and visually appealing drop-down menu in Shopify that enhances the user experience of your online store.